Well, now to this. We have a lot to talk about this morning when it comes to Red Lobster maybe facing Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And the Ag Department just released some shocking data about farms in Washington state. Let's take a look at our Ag and Energy report right now. Locally produced food in Washington state is becoming less accessible. The Agriculture Department just released fresh data showing 14 farms a week vanished from Washington state every week during the last 5 years. In total, that breaks down to more than 102,000 food-producing acres. The Seattle Times cites higher operating costs and higher labor costs as likely causes. Oil is back in focus in Iran's attack on Israel, too. Congressional leaders are discussing how to push ahead with legislation that would place sanctions on importers of Iranian oil. One analyst from Citigroup says $100 per barrel oil prices are possible if the unrest escalates and involves a direct threat to the world oil supply. Red Lobster may be facing Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Sources telling Bloomberg the seafood chain continues to struggle financially. For example, its super popular $20 endless shrimp promotion backfired by being so popular that it actually contributed to an $11 million loss for the company. The chain will continue to operate while it looks into restructuring its debt.